Unloading heavy machines requires caution. This man makes a deadly mistake. He tries to stop a falling machine and ends up underneath it. Seconds later, another machine crashes down. One small misstep, and everything goes wrong. Let's hope he survived. One careless move and the entire factory comes to a halt. This forklift operator tries to squeeze through a tight space, but hits the stacked goods. In seconds, everything crashes to the ground. All of it could have been avoided with a little patience. In this clip, a tractor is loading gravel, but the operator loses focus for just a moment. While loading the crane, he accidentally hits a nearby wall. Within seconds, the entire wall collapses into the street. One small mistake causes thousands of dollars in damage. Heavy machines demand full attention. Always operate with care and responsibility.